It was a total accident. They were disoriented from carbon monoxide. They faked their own deaths. They faked their own deaths. It was a murder-suicide. It was part of a kidnapping plot. It was part of a kidnapping plot. It was a meth deal gone wrong. It was a meth deal gone wrong. Bobby's father made good on his threats. Bobby's father made good on his threats. They were going into witness protection. They were going into witness protection. A former border and white supremacist did it. A former border and white supremacist did it. They were engaged in spiritual warfare and lost. They were engaged in spiritual warfare and lost. They were victims of a cult. They were victims of a cult.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.